Hello everybody and welcome to the Ramada by Wyndham Kochi, one of Kerala's most beautiful backwater resorts. Now sprawling across lush green landscapes and overlooking serene waters, the Ramada by Wyndham offers breathtaking views from every corner. So we are all checked in now, so let's head towards the room and see what that looks like. And we are in room number 306. Okay guys, let's do a quick room tour. Okay. Nice. So coming inside. Nice big king bed. A little table here. Nice big TV. Big mirrors. Two of them. Nice working table. So like a nice little mini bar area with coffee. And I think down here we'll have a refrigerator. Let's see what we got inside. Yes, got some drinks and some chocolate. Of course, you know, you gotta pay for these, so that's the price list right there. All right, let's close these. And then I've got, I think it's a nice little cupboard here with all the stuff. Nice. And then of course there's a bathroom. Let's take a look. Ooh, nice big shower. And then it's got all the amenities that we need. Look at that. All the Ramada stuff. And last but not the least is, let's take a quick look at the view, guys. Nice, look at that beautiful lake view. So we'll go down a little bit and try to explore and see what this hotel has. All right guys, let's walk around and see what we can find. It's a beautiful property, guys. Look at all this. So on this side, they have a nice little pool. Let's go and check it out. Ooh. If you like to row laps, oh, rather swim laps, it's a great place. This pool is massive. To actually kind of see how big it is, I'm going to show you guys a drone shot here in a second, and that tell you the size of this pool. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I believe this is one of the largest pools in Kerala, if not India. These are all cottages, that's what I believe. Beautiful, beautiful. They have a nice little seating area here by the pool as well. This property is located along the scenic Kumbalam Lake, which is what you're seeing here. Right by the lake. I just can't get enough of this pool. It's so pretty and peaceful. And at night, it's a completely different vibe. And let me show you what I mean. Isn't that beautiful? So serene, so quiet. So if you guys want to just chill, you can always come out here, sit, or maybe come out and do some laps, chill by the pool. But it's beautiful out here at night. A completely different vibe. See what I mean, folks? A completely different by day. Now, this particular property is, like I said earlier, is located along the scenic Kumbalam Lake, and this five-star retreat perfectly blends traditional Kerala charm with the modern luxury. Now, you look anywhere you look, it's breathtaking views from every corner. Now, the architecture actually beautifully blends, Kerala's cultural elegance while maintaining a world-class resort feel. Now, this resort features multiple dining options, I believe. We'll go visit those here in a second. And they offer everything from authentic Kerala cuisine to international flavors. So whether you're craving seafood or traditional South Indian flavors, every dish here celebrates Kerala's rich culinary heritage. So let's head out to some of the restaurants and see what we can find there. That is the restaurant, folks. They serve breakfast there every day, and also it is a multi-cuisine restaurant as well. And this is Fennel, their multi-cuisine restaurant, open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. And coming on to this side of the property, you've got a gym here. So let's go inside. The fitness center is open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Nice. They got a lot of machine stuff and a little bit of free weights, some cardio stuff as well. So, enough to get a good workout in, guys. And this is the specialty seafood restaurant called as Pearl Spot. It's only open in the evenings, I think 7 to 11. So, if you guys like seafood, this is where you need to come and try it out. And Pearl Spot fish is locally known as karimin, and is an iconic freshwater fish in Kerala and is often referred to as the state fish of Kerala. I like how they've actually done it in the traditional Kerala style, where they have walkways and it's like open in the middle. Beautiful. And the little just walk everywhere. Nice. They have a spa here as well, so you can book ahead of time. And let's go in here. Hi there. And then coming in here, they have a little store here as well, so if you guys want to purchase something. And this is the lobby area. And Ramada also offers activities like boating and backwater cruises, right from his private jetty. It's a great way to explore the beauty of Kerala's backwaters up close, calm, peaceful, and absolutely mesmerizing. So that is another good option if you are staying here. And when you exit the lobby and come to this side of the property, let's see what they have here. It looks like they have a little seating area where you can just chill. They have a little nice little waterfalls going here. And I believe what you're seeing up front there is the bar. It's called as Club 1100. I was in there earlier, and it's got a good ambience. So if you want to, get a drink, just chill out, this would be the ideal place. Once again, it's called as Club 1100. And then if you walk down further here, there looks like a children's play area. So for those of you with kids and little children, this would be a good place to hang out. And that kind of brings us full circle. What you're seeing there is Fennel, the restaurant.